Just repairing all of that. That's the bottom of the door. Repaired that around the door. Just got that little bit there to do. Cut that bit of excess off there. Looking better. We're going to do some more work to that. Back shortly. All repaired. Grinded flat. Okay, get that prepped. Be back with you shortly. Looking good. All that's repaired. Oh, it's a bit dark. Protected all my sills. Repairing the inside of the door, of the driver's door. Oh, that's hot. Just got the bits to do. And then that's that done. We'll be back with the next one. The rust treatment in there. Hi everyone, that's the repair on the driver's door. Nice new piece of metal put in. It's all repaired around here as well. Just grinding it down now and just going to do some filler. And I'll bring you back when I've done some more. Getting rid of dents. There's a big dent there. Already some over there. There's some dents here. And now I'm just getting rid of this big massive dent. Back shortly. Hey everyone, back at it. This bonnet here is bent because it's all broken across here. So I'm about to cut that open and make a brace. So that's what I'm doing today. I'll be back with you shortly. Yeah, I've cut that out, cleaned all that up. Now I'm going to reinforce it. I've had to tap this area down where it's bent and kinked. It's kinked right there. I will put a couple of spots of welding there, and then I'm going to put the brace I'm going to make. That runs all the way on ghia. And that's it so far. Looking good. Yeah, so I'll be back with you when I've done some more. This is what I'm using. Big thick piece of steel. And then that will go in there. Be slid in there, and then this will be welded in there to this, and it will strengthen it up. I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Yep. Right, that's how far I've got so far. Cleaned it all in there, got it back to metal, put some brush treatment in there. The brace I'm going to make is going to go in there, weld to this bracket and to the inner of there, and then be tacked in down there. That's how far I've got. So, I'll get back to you when I've completed this section. And then I'll be on to something else. Yep. Sorry it took so long to upload, but the weather hasn't been very nice. But I'm back on it. I have been working on it and doing lots of things. Right, back shortly. Hi everyone, that's all done. I've made this little piece here to go into the end of there. So that will sit in the end of there like that, and then the original piece will be going back in and cleaned up. So I just wanted to show you that. That fits in there beautiful. Just got to tack that back in. New piece. Got to weld the paint in here first and paint behind here. So that's what I've been doing. That's ready to paint. Let that dry. Flip that over. That might get a bit of paint on it, on messy side. Let them dry. Basically the idea is to get the bonnet done. I've got to move the bonnet forward a bit. Once that's done, I've then got to move these wings around a bit and get them all lined up, because then all the body work will be done together. So I'll be back with you when I've done some more and cleaned up a bit. That'll do so, and I'll be back to the rest of it. All repaired. Beautiful. Nice shiny metal. Perfect that is. Then I just need the skin. But obviously I'm going to get around all these bits first. I'm going to clear off the bonnet, open the bonnet, straighten some of this out so it's in line, and then I'm going to mess around with these to line them up. So yeah, so let me show you the other side of my vehicle, because there is other bits of work I've been doing. Like, I haven't done too much body work, but that's what the door looks like there and there. But obviously I'll do all the sanding when it comes to body work. I've got this bit here to now do, which I'll probably do in the next video, and then that'll be that door and that door done. I've been working on this scuttle a bit more. Just gotta get all these lines looking good. Bit of work on here, which I'll do as well, and I'll be back with you shortly.